start the engine. I tried to give it a little bit of boost, and it's not taking any. So I was like, everything worked fine before. There's no reason it should not be building boost. So what I did was, I already had one similar to this. It was for a smaller turbo, apparently, obviously. But I went to Make Man, got this piece, and it fit pretty much for this one, for this coupler. So I already had the valve stem to go in here. So just drill a hole, get a valve stem, put it in, silicone on each side just to make sure it's good and sealed. So once you do that, what you want to do is just give it a little bit of pressure in your system. I got my tank here, and before while I did all this, I was doing a preventive maintenance part, as trying to replace all my couplers here with good ones. That one's good. They're all good, but for some reason I have a leak somewhere down here which I can't find out right now, because I really need a second hand to press air in so I can see exactly where this air is coming out. I can hear it. See if I can get it on video. Shit, you can't see anything. But from here, everything looks good, I think. So I'm gonna try and see where this leak is coming from and get it fixed. All right. After, if you see here, I added another fitting. It's just for a vacuum line to go on. I didn't have the one that clips onto here and it stays on there, so I got a vacuum line, put it on, put a zip tie somewhere around, just keep it on there. And I used right here, and this pretty much just a regulator, generic regulator, and just used it to raise the PSI. I raised it to about 20. You want to try and go to what you're like running literally on your car and see what holds. I went to 20 and everything held. So the leak was at my blow-off valve, and it was at just where do you blow-off valve? It's just the one that I got from that car. I'll probably get another one, because this one, it still used, it still works. Probably just, it just looks old. Literally, it still works. It was there. So pretty much I changed the clamps. Also, in that process, I positioned some clamps, so some boots. So I repositioned this one and moved it a little bit closer. And I also did the ones that was on the intercooler area. It's kind of tight to get in there, especially on this side, because I have my oil cooler in here also. But literally after cleaning up everything and repositioning and putting everything back together, no leaks, so it should be good to go. It was a good amount of air coming out of that blow-off valve area. It was just around that coupler, and I had some T-bolt clamps on there, if I can find one. All right, so here we go. I had this one on here. It's a tad too big. So what was going on was I had this tightened all the way down as much as it would go, but even after tightening it, like I put it on, and I don't know, like I guess for some reason it sealed before, but it might not have been sealing good. But now I put it on, and then I could twist it, which I didn't check that before, which I should have, but I could twist the blow off valve, and I know then that, and also once I hooked up the thing, I could see and could hear and I could feel the air coming around the blow off valve flange area. So I fixed that, got a new clamp. I got a smaller T-bolt clamp that I put on there, and everything's good to go. So literally this rig for making a boost leak tester cost me 400 yen. Maybe 600 or 700 yen if you add in fittings or some clamps or whatever you may need. But literally that was it for my car. So now I'm gonna start it up, maybe go out and drive it a little bit more. Gotta break this thing in, get these rings seated, and get everything going. It should be good to go after that. I'm gonna go drive it for maybe an hour, hour and a half or so, and make sure I check for leaks. After driving the other day, like I didn't have any leaks, so everything was good. As you can see, the truss sits the lowest part on the car. I want to get a plate made to protect that, because I'd rather nothing hit that and like knock something loose. So I want to get like at least a plate that sits below from here, maybe down up under, and then just come back up just a little bit. I don't want to sit too low because I don't want the plate to get torn up also, but we'll go from there. We'll see. We will see. Thank you, Nori from In Factory, for welding that. Did a great job. It's awesome work as usual. If you get a chance, go out and visit Nori at his new shop. It's In Factory. Look it up on Google. Should be on there. And show your support. Thank you. All right, guys. I've been working on cars many years. And to take precautions for stuff falling inside of your intercooler piping, it's custom to put plastic or something over so nothing goes in there. Don't forget to take the plastic back out. For some reason, I guess it fell off into the hole, and it went right down into the intercooler. It's in there. Now I feel like a noob. Jesus, no, my God, look at that. This is what stops boost. This will stop your boost. Zero boost from this. Oh my God, arigato noise. Jesus Christ. All that from this. Let me show you where it was. I mean, literally it fell down into the coupler and went inside. Right there. Oh, silencer. Big silencer.
Starting fail はあと little bit more down さら more easy だと。それで